We're in the process of lubing our fans. This 265 fan has the holes you can see right there on either side of the label. So give it a couple squirts. There. And there. And then we're going to do the other fan. And give it a couple squirts. So like I said, we will plug those in. The next step is to check your grate and make sure that the holes in it are clear. So just take an 1/8 inch. I can see these are all clear, so I'm not going to actually do anything, but if any of them are plugged up, you can take a 1/8 inch drill bit and your drill and just drill them out. That will clean it up nicely.